Hi, I'm Jack Godfrey with Southdale Wellness. Today, we're looking at the Swinging Arms Series. First, we're going to talk a little bit about the benefits, and then we're going to get into a demonstration of the 5 different things you can do as part of the Swinging Arms Series. So, why would we want to do this? Well, it increases qi and blood flow out to the extremities. So, which is a good thing. You want to keep the hands and the feet warm. You want to keep them well nourished. So let's get the qi out of the torso and into the extremities. It also strengthens our lower back muscles. So some of the movements are just straight ahead and the torso is kind of neutral. And some of them we got some twisting going on. And so this twisting is actually working to help strengthen up the lower back muscles. And as we strengthen those lower back muscles, we help to reduce lower back pain as well. And also with that twisting that's going on in these various movements, and even with the ones where we're going straight forward and back, we're helping to align any slightly misaligned vertebrae. Also, we found that the Swinging Arm Series helps to reduce blood pressure, and it also improves sleep quality and helps reduce insomnia. So let's see what we can do here. So we're going to start with the straight ahead series, but first we need to get the body set up correctly. So check the feet out. There should be about a double hand width between the feet. The feet should be more or less parallel. Bring the weight to the toes. Shift the weight into the heels. And now, imagine that you're a bird grabbing a branch. So push the toes down into the earth. Push the heels down into the earth as well. We're grabbing a hold of a branch. We have a nice solid foundation. We're well rooted into the earth. You want to have the knees ever so slightly bent, the belly button pulled in, the pelvic floor, the hoi yin, lifted up. We lift the ribs slightly. We lift the chin. We gaze to the horizon. We have a nice setup, a good foundation. This is known as standing in Wu Ji. And now we start with our first movement. And so this is a swinging in the arms forward and back. So it's inhale, we let the arms come up. And it's exhale, we let the arms come on down. Let's have a look from the side. So it's inhale, we let the arms drift up. And it's exhale, we let the arms come on down. Yeah, it's kind of pretty tame here, but there's more to it, of course. One of the points to be aware of here is when you're swinging the arms back and forth, you want to keep the wrist and the arm, the hand, the arm, the wrist, the hand, more or less in a straight line. This facilitates the flowing of qi out to the extremities. So the first one, and we're going to do each one of these 9 times, and 9 counts if we have sides. It's you do side 1, you do side 2, left side, right side, and that counts as 1. So here we go with the swinging the arms forward and back. So we come up about shoulder height, and then we let the arms swing back. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, you can also flex the knees with this as well, if it seems right for you and it doesn't boggle your mind when you're doing more than one thing. So you can also do this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, the next one in this series is the hands are out to the side and you let them cross in front. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So if you're used to doing other Qigong sequences, typically we want to do it to the breath and breathe in for a count of 4 and breathe out for a count of 4. So these series, the Swinging Arm Series, we're moving the arms more rapidly than that because we're working to really get the qi flowing out to the extremities and working on strengthening up some muscles. So it's a little different. There are other series where the same thing is going on. And next is, this next one is called Dragon. shakes his whiskers. And so for this, we're going to be twisting from side to side. So we start here, and you tap the hips, turn the head, look over the shoulder. This is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9. And now the next one, it's again, we have that twisting motion going on, but this one is dragon, cleans whiskers. And for this, you're going to come up and cup the shoulder. So you want to land here kind of firmly. So you're holding the shoulder and the wrist is landing in that hollow between the shoulder and the ribs. The other hand, the back of the hand is coming to the kidney. And so here we go here, and we're twisting as well, because that's when you're moving the arms like that, that's what the torso wants to do. So here we go. Looking over the shoulder again. 3, 7, 8, 9. All right, and now there's one more in the series, and this one is called Flinging Sleeves. So for this guy, visualizing, we need a little bit of visualization here. We have a long draping sleeve. So the sleeve comes down to the wrist, but it hangs down and comes back up to the arm here. So it's a nice, it's a wide open sleeve. And so we're flinging sleeves here. So for this guy, we start with the hands down in front. We come up and we point to the back. So looking from the side. So we're here. The hands come up. And we're here. So the wrist, the two shoulders are in a straight line, and they're about the same height as the wrist as well. And I'm looking at the thumb of this hand here. And then we come and we do it on the opposite side. So flinging sleeves, here we go. So 1, 6, 8, 9. And we come on back to the front. And that is the Swinging Arm Series. Hands straight ahead, hands out to the side, crossing in front. And then dragon shakes whiskers, cleaning the dragon's whiskers, and flinging sleeves. And that's it for today. So let's pull down the heavens and wrap up for now. So it's inhale, gather the chi from the earth, draw it up to the heavens, mix with the heavens chi, and exhale, draw the chi, that mixed heaven and earth chi, in to the brass basin. Twice more. And that's it for today.